For the Enterprise AI Minute, your daily journey into the real world AI future. Or what does it mean to be human? Is artificial intelligence influencing or changing us? Or do we humans have the reins? No, this is not an existential crisis of some sort, but a very important topic for sure. The reason is that if we don't have a firm grasp on what it means to be human, then our reality is not based on the real world, but an artificial one. Why is this important? Now, we've all seen sci-fi movies with artificial intelligence that's eerily human-like, but still has a seemingly detached aspect. For the most part, the AI of the movies is more about artificial general intelligence, where the machine is self-aware and learns just like a human being. Now, yes, we're pretty far from this, but many are working hard to make that a reality. But to dig a bit deeper here, this requires us to ensure that we understand our own identity, both physical and digital. This in turn helps us understand where AI fits into our world. Yes, AI has become a lot smarter than its origination. Subsets of AI, such as machine learning or ML and natural language processing, NLP, can understand our speech and interpret that in many different ways, even understand nuances of unique cultural references. And recently, AI created artwork, which sold at Christie's for over $432,000. And IBM's Watson AI system was tasked to come up with its own unique cuisine ideas based on an analysis of over 9,000 recipes. In my opinion, AI didn't really create this, but relied on prior human creativity. And for all the advances in AI, we humans are now and will continue to be the driving force in the growth and expansion of AI. So this Enterprise AI Minute will explore the intersection of AI and people, where things are headed and what you need to know. And remember, the future of AI depends on what we do now. So stay real, stay you. Cheers.